Hello traders, this is addzeros and today I wanted to do something different, which is the weekly recap. And what I realized that this is really important for the traders to analyze their trades, what they're doing over the week. On a daily basis, you need to do some analysis and also need to say that what your stats tell us. And if you from the last 2 weeks, market was a bit choppy. I was not getting a bigger move, so I made a little bit of different strategy. And I guess this time, this week, the week has been gone, just completed. I've seen a remarkable difference, and in the results, and it's just because of the weekly analysis. Daily analysis of the trade. So I just wanted to show you that how you can better analyze your trades, and I will show you some of my statistics that how that helped me. And I wanted to give you a message that you can also analyze in a way for you to better improve. So stick with me, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if not, and hopefully you're gonna get so much out of from this video. It's gonna help you improve your day trading. So let's look at the statistics. So on this is the weekly recap of April 12th to April 16th. And if you see here, what I did, basically I have did the 31 trades in the whole week. So all trades and the close trades are same because this is my day trading account, so I do not kept anything open. Everything has been closed. So average five trading days, so it's almost just six trades in a week. That's just in overall numbers. But if you look at this, is a remarkable day. So I have only 12 winners, 19 losers, but I'm still in very much in the green. And if you look at a little bit downward, I want to talk you through this later. Just look at this statistics here, and you're gonna be surprised that I have this week is only 38% win ratio, and I was 61.29% I was having a losing trade. So 38% are the only winning trades, and 61.29% were my losing trades. So that's go back to here that I have 19 losing trades and the 12 winning trades. But the important thing which I wanted to highlight, there's two things you need to see that why I'm still in green, and is because if you see my average reward to risk ratio was 2.05. I was very selective in the last week. In this week, basically, I was very selective because I realized that the market is really choppy. If something is going into your direction, it will gonna go, but I need to find low risk entries and a high reward potential. Otherwise, I'm not taking those trades. So if you look at it, I have the average reward to risk ratio was 2. So instead of 1, I made it double. If you look at another astonishing and interesting stats, the way I manage my trades is average winning trade, I hold 36 minutes. I'm giving more time for my trade to develop. Whereas if I realize that something is losing, I am immediately cutting off. So average losers hold time, which I'm holding, is only 6%. 6 to 36. So almost I was holding 6 times more, a larger time frame for my trade to develop. Because when I realize if something is not working in this choppy market, it is quickly gonna squeeze you out. And if it's squeezing you out, I have no problem. I'm gonna take my smaller loss, and you see I have 19 losing trades. Average hold time is only 6 minutes. Total winners are 12 trades. Average winning time is 36 minutes. And another interesting fact, if you will see, my gain to pain ratio is a very important ratio. So it's risk to reward is a 1, but another important one is the gain to pain ratio. So what I'm saying, so every dollar when I put into the money for my having a profitable trade, how much drawdown I'm going. So how much it go into negative and coming back up again. So I'm not letting my trade to go against me very much. Usually it can be, the larger the number is the better. So I'm making a more gain to instead of taking a pain. So my drawdown is less and I'm making money. It could be better. I can improve further, but this is the way it is now. Other interesting thing you will notice that what is my average returns here. So if you look at it, my average return percentage is 2.72%, whereas my average loser is only 0.54. It means that it's almost a 20, almost a quarter of that percentage is too less. Whereas my average loser is only 0.5%, whereas my average return is 0.2472. Is mean that I'm losing my losers, the trade which is not working immediately, and I'm letting my winners run so that I can take more profit. Whereas if you look at it, what is my average winner on the percentage wise is 7.88%. And this divides here. But look at the here, that's some remarkable. Which is my biggest profit percentage is 38.26%. So my biggest profit was 38%. Whereas what is my biggest loser percentage? Only 2.34%. So it's when I'm really what I'm doing, I'm immediately taking loss on the trades which is not working, and I'm letting my profit or trades which are working, I'm letting it run a little bit longer, which is 36 minutes to make a better profit. So what I am saying that this market is really different from what we used to in the last year. So you really need to tweak your strategies, and in the sense that you do not need to you change your edge. It's just that you need to find a low risk entries, and we need to make sure that if something is not working, do not give more time. Cut your loss quickly, and you let your profit go, uh, and improve them so that you can have a better chance of getting success in this given market. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you think that I've earned this, please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and share this video with your friends and our channel so that we can have a more subscription. And join me on my pre-market show on the Monday so we can have a more better trades in the next week.